The era of the past 5,000 years has ended. It is time for the new era. The world as we know it will change. You were born to be part of this change. It is time. The new era is here. All life can thrive in a balance. Begin. Look now with new vision. Join in, bringing change with each day. Open to a new consciousness. To find connections opens the way. Open the way. All life hangs in the balance. Our action determines the pace. Do we take this stand? Spreading the vision to all lands, changing the way we see each other. Stop ripping apart. Stop seeing division. The lies that cloud our vision. That all can thrive together. It is time. Time for action. Time for change. To build the new era. Oh people, awaken humanity. To the relationships that give life to the world. Not just for some, but for every life. Be relationship builders. Bring this era to life. Stay committed. Take action. Bring change. Stay committed. Take action. Bring change. From this moment on, every thought, action, and non-action you make and take will either impede or bring about the age of life. Choose life for all. The change will not come from the elite, but from the heart of every person. This has been presented by the Leah Foundation. Follow us at Age of Life on Twitter. All rights reserved.